Google drops an update, we drop a video analyzing said update. Let's talk about the last core update of 2025. It dropped on December 11th, had a rollout period of 18 days, and ended on December 29th. As we should know, the broad core updates affect every aspect of search, the SERPs, AI overviews, AI mode, discover, top stories, people also ask, news, forums, etc. And accompanying every core update are fluctuations with the ranking, with websites rising and falling with the whims of change. Normal stuff. However, in untypical fashion, this particular update was unusually calm for most of the rollout, the real exceptions being specific verticals like YMYL. High volatility was reported on December 20th, along with some other dotted reds on other days, but apart from that, it was pretty smooth sailing. During the rollout, site owners and SEOs shared their experiences on forums discussing observed movements, the highs and lows and all that. Interestingly, there seemed to be multiple reports of contradictory movements on gaming sites. We also noticed people reporting their YMYL sites losing visibility despite not implementing any problematic practices. We dug a little deeper on some of those sites and found out that this was in fact true. Many sites in the niche were experiencing considerable movement, specifically finance and medical sites. YMYL sites not only face strict content policies, but are also held to a higher standard algorithmically. And it would appear that with this update, Google rearranged the YMYL dials, reassessing the quality of many sites, causing a boatload of volatility within the niche. Along with that, we saw some home services businesses receiving a beating. Case in point, these sites lost a humongous amount of traffic data during the update. And of course, just like last year, people were not particularly happy about the timing of the rollout, as it tends to make the holidays a little less jolly, negatively impacting visibility, trickling down to affect campaigns, sales, and fourth quarter earnings. Aleda Solis shared her insights after the rollout was completed, and found that the broad retailers offering an assortment of products dropped in rankings for specific keywords, while niche brands like Columbia, North Face, and Fragrance Market increased for said specific queries. She also observed a similar trend with the publication site Game Radar Guide, where broader queries were declining in traffic, while popular game brands were gaining traction. Moving over to August spam update recoveries, we got to see some good ones reported by Glenn Gabe on X. He explained it's possible to recover from a hit during the core update rollout if you've put in the time and effort tackling the spam situation thoroughly. And if not, you're likely to get hit even harder with the next update. So do your due diligence. Early in the rollout period, Marie Haynes pointed out notable changes in the core updates document about recovering from an algorithmic hit of the broad core update. Previously, the document mentioned one would have to wait for another core update for one to see results from improvements one may have made on one site. But now it clarifies that you actually don't necessarily have to wait for another broad core update to see site recoveries, since Google is continuously rolling out smaller core updates throughout the year, giving you more recovery opportunities. And a note for users making amendments, looking for recovery, core update rollouts aren't a reset button that instantly recovers hits. It's an ongoing process of Google reassessing the World Wide Web. So your recovery depends on multiple factors, such as if various complex algorithms are spotting the changes you've made, the level of scrutiny Google scrutinizes your particular niche, how your industry is evolving on micro and macro levels, whether the changes you've made to your site align with what Google wants or not, whether you're putting up premium quality content or delivering a poor user experience, and so on and so forth. How were you affected by the last core update? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, like, subscribe, notification bell. Thanks for watching. Rolling. We dug a little deeper. YMYL.